So, this looks very familiar to you. It should. It's called a microwave oven. One thing that you need to know about this microwave oven has to do with the door. You'll notice that the door has a covering on it that has little holes in it. Do you know what that is? It's called a Faraday cage. What's a Faraday cage? Well, it blocks microwaves. It's a metal mesh that blocks the microwaves from entering into the room. You'll notice that the box inside is completely enclosed. So the microwaves that come into the chamber stay there. When the door is closed, it blocks them from coming into the room. No microwave is allowed to be sold in the United States without this mesh, without the Faraday cage on it. Why is that the case? Because it's a safety measure. Because microwaves cause cancer. Microwaves are Wi-Fi. Microwaves are 5G. Microwaves are your cell phone. They're dangerous. And they're limited inside your microwave oven. How strong are the microwaves coming from cell towers and from satellites? Kind of scary to think about. It's been known for a long time that microwaves cause cancer, but the cell phone industry has been very has been very reluctant to come out and definitively say that microwaves cause cancer. But they do. There are lots of studies out there that say that they do. This needs to stop. And people need to wake up to the fact that microwaves cause cancer. So anything that you're using that is a microwave, that would be a Wi-Fi connection, your microwave oven, your cell phone, they all cause cancer. Have a good day, guys, and wake up as many people as you can, because our health and our safety are at risk. Have a great day.